Hello, my name is Kinnari Panchal. I'm 35 years old and I stand 5 feet 2 inches tall. My hometown is Baroda, Gujarat, and now I live in Mumbai. And these are my profiles. In my acting training, I have done 30 days of theatre and acting workshop from National School of Drama in Indore. I have also done theatre and acting workshop from renowned actor director Mr. Neeraj Kabi in Mumbai, and I have also done couple of workshops from my hometown Baroda. In my acting project, I have done 2 Hindi films which will be releasing this year, 7 Gujarati films, out of which 3 films has already been released, 1 Gujarati web series, 2 Hindi web series, 13 advertisement, and I appeared in 1 music album as well. In my theatre project, I have done 4 Hindi play, 4 Gujarati play, 3 Marathi play and 1 English play. मैं बहुत ही अच्छा हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ, गुजराती पण खूप सारी रीते बोलू शकू છું आणि मराठी माझी मदर टंग आहे म्हणून मग मराठी खूप छान बोलू शकते. थँक्यू सो मच.